Hello everyone, myself Vivek. I am a part of unique foundation classes jath from last 4 years. With all COVID precautions, I am here to present a seminar on the topic heredity and evolution. First of all, I will cover the topic that is heredity. By saying the name heredity, we get to know about what is heredity. A question arises: what is heredity? Heredity actually means the transmission of characters from one generation to another successive generation. That is known as filial generations, or simply denoted as F generations. First of all, we discuss about the types of cells. The types of cells are stem cells and germ cells. Stem cells are actually present in four parts of humans, animals, and plants, except reproductive organs. Germ cells are present in only in reproductive organs, and they are the chromosomes. Chromosomes are of 23 pairs. But what actually is chromosomes? They contain the genetic information in themselves. They are present in the form of chromatin material in the cells. But during cell division, they condense and form chromosomes. There are actually 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 pairs of chromosomes and 46 chromosomes in number. The 22 pairs are functional chromosomes, and the 23rd pair, that is the pair of chromosomes for sex determination. Cell division. Cell division is actually of two types: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the type of cell division in which a single cell divides into two daughter cells, in which half number of chromosomes is divided. And meiosis, it is the type of cell division in which the single cell divides into four daughter cells. Then the next we'll move towards the structure of DNA. This is what the structure of DNA looks like. I have written some terms ACT and G and in a random way. So by seeing it, actually we get confused what is it. So A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, C stands for cytosine, and G stands for guanine. And these the layer structures are known as genes. But what are actually genes? Genes are the segments of DNA. But what is DNA? DNA means they contain the genetic information that they transfer from one parent generation to another. Genes contain all the characters, and one character contains two genes. That is connected to the concept of dominance and recessive trait. The concept of dominance and recessive. But dominance and recessive, when organism reproduces, so concept of dominance and recessiveness. We'll take an example: father and a mother. We'll take a character of height. If the father is of tall height and mother is of tall, some will think that the offspring produced will be of mixture. It will be of medium size, but it doesn't. It is not the case. A child will be either a tall or a dwarf. If the child is dwarf, then the mother is dominant, and the mother's character are dominant in this offspring. So here, mother is dominant and father is recessive. As genes contribute to the characters, two genes contribute one character. One gene comes from father and one gene comes from mother for a single character. Or else we can take another example of a skin color. A father is of dull color and mother is of fair. So if the offspring produced is of dull, then the father is, in this case, the father is dominant and mother is recessive. So we'll now take the traits are also transferred from parents to next generation. There are actually two types of traits: acquired traits and inherited traits. Acquired traits, the traits we get actually by our skills, like we learn swimming and all, singing. The parents know swimming and singing, but it doesn't mean that the next generation will also know how to swim and how to sing. This is sometimes we think that if a person is strong, then the next generation will also be strong, but it's not the case. There are acquired traits, but there are also some inherited traits. Like some diseases are also transferred from one generation to another generation. Like we can take for example of Parkinson's disease. If a person is suffering from Parkinson's disease, then a new generation formed is luckily gets normal. Then it doesn't mean that the Parkinson's disease is actually extinct. Like luckily another generation also reproduces and it's get normal. But there are also chances that the upcoming this is F1 generation and this is F2 generation, and the upcoming F3 generation will not suffer from Parkinson's disease. There are most probable chances that F3 generation will suffer from Parkinson's disease. Variations. But what are actually variations? When the organism sexually reproduces, it maximally it shows variations. But why are variations necessary? Variations are necessary to survive in this changing world. Like now, global warming effect and greenhouse effect is there. Temperature is rising and falling, and like I can give an example. If a person is in North India and he wants to he migrates to South India and he wants to survive there. There should be some variations and adaptations to survive in South. Like he has the temperature, he should have the temperature sustaining capability. So this is the importance of variation. But but actually, how are inherited or diseases come? Like this is A and T, this is G and C. So when A and T is in statement in their respective manner, no disease will come. But when A and G and C and T cross, there are some disorders such as Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a disease or a disorder in which a person suffers from like he is forgetting some things and like he will in some years or decade or 10 to 15 years there is a possibility that he will die if there is a severe disease. So monohybridization experiment by Mendel. There was a curious scientist Mendel who thought that if if organisms of different characters are crossed, then what will be the result? So he took the pea plants. Why pea plants? Pea plants are actually they grow they can be harvested or grown in 1 month, and it's easy. If the experiment fails, then also you can again plant them and study about them. So monohybridization or monohybrid crossing, the experiment was done by a curious scientist Roger Mendel. He took a long plant and a short plant. He named its genes TT and TT. They are the genes of tall plant kept in the capital letters and the short plant in small letters. When he crossed it, he got TT, T, long plants only. This was the F1 generation, but he didn't stop here. He crossed it again and he got T. It means these are the tall plants and this is the short plant. This he got from cross-pollinating it of F1 generation. This was the F2 generation, that is fly generation. This is a tall, that means 3 plants are tall and 1 is short. That is, they are in the constant ratio 3:1. So this was a monohybrid hybridization. The value is constant. Evolution.